The site's located in Herne Bay, looking out over towards the Chelsea sugar factory and also to the Harbour Bridge, so very expansive views, about 180 degrees. It was a really interesting brief in that they wanted to squeeze as much on the site as they possibly could. So we essentially set up a maximum building envelope and took their design brief and pushed it to the limit in every respect.
The project was complex because there's a 380 square metre basement completely buried. We had a year and a half of really complex groundworks and barrier pole walls to build before we could even start. So the home is about 1,100 square metres. It's all concrete walls and concrete floors, and it was definitely the biggest build we've ever done.
The basement level is an entertainment level essentially. The main living level has extensive living areas including outside, and then the top level is all of the family bedrooms. It's quite a monolithic form. The clients came to us with a particular brief and images of houses that they'd seen that they liked. There was to be all low maintenance materials, which we changed slightly. There's a lot of natural stone on the building and we wanted some relief.
So we managed to soften the stone that was used by using timber on the ceilings that extend right from the entrance out into the exterior loggia for that continuity. And also the lime plaster on the walls to soften and catch the light to have shadow play through the extensive hallways.
The swimming pool cantilevers out off the cliff and hangs over the beach below, and due to site access we had to build that first. It's got a stunning view out across the harbour with an infinity edge, so the water sort of feels like it's falling over into the beach below.
The client and I fell in love with the bronzite granite, which is the main focus of the kitchen, which we softened with the dark stained oak veneer cabinetry and added another element of light with the antiqued brass. The master ensuite has a show-stopping feature wall of a beautiful white marble, which complements the amazing view that they get from their entire master suite.
There's not just one good room. Every single element in this I can see, I look at and I know where I touched it and got involvement. It's got a really solid feeling in the site. The house is going to be here forever.
Coastal Herne Bay is a suburb with a lot of very large homes, and I think although this home's different to its neighbours, it sits sympathetically into the landscape really well. And given the huge restraints on the site, it's a house that we're very proud of, and the best thing is that our clients are exceptionally happy.